Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, these are the assets we'll be checking out, and everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So many people have done this before. You too can also do the same thing. Now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I am using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right here. Okay guys, if you are having this indicator, kindly follow up with the trading analysis which I will be dishing out in this video. This had been on downtrend right from here till it got to this region, and right from here it was unable to break out below this support zone, so it went back on uptrend and was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it went back on downtrend, got to this region, pulled back and still went down, and it's about approaching this support zone. If it's unable to break out below it, then definitely it will go back on buy trend, but if it breaks out below the support zone, then it will keep on selling. So this is still selling at the moment. It might not be for a very long time before it to change the direction of the market into a buy trend. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500, and just the way we have seen it, this has actually gone up till it got to this resistance. Also right from there it started a downtrend, and it sold till it got to this region, and right now it is buying at the moment. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, just the way we have seen it. Okay, right here I'm on 5-minute time frame, and I'm still using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, so if you're having it, kindly follow up with the analysis and we're going to get it right. Okay, so this actually got to this support zone and was unable to go beyond this, so it went back on uptrend. It has got into this region and it may likely crash down right from there. So this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. And the next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay, let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. This has been crashing for a very long time. You can see it has not been able to break out from this resistance zone, and it still crashed down till it got to this support zone. Okay guys, it's trying to go back up since it's unable to break out below this support zone. At the moment I would say it's still crashing until it is unable to break out that support zone. So this is still selling at the moment until it is able to confirm this, the buy trend and the buy signal. Okay, that is when it will start buying. Okay, so this is very, very important. Then the next asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75. It was on uptrend before, but got to this resistance zone, was unable to go beyond that, and of course it started selling right from there. Okay, and it might be trying out this support zone again to see if it will I'll be able to break out below the support zone. If it's unable to break out below it, then it will be giving giving this buy zone, this resistance zone, an attempt to see if it will break out above it. Okay, so this will be is selling, is on downtrend at the moment until it's unable to break out that support zone. That is when it will go back into a buy trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. So these are all that we are able to come up with today. All you just need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then,